Chemistry, word problem. If 30 cubic centimeters of oxygen diffuses through a porous pot in 7 seconds, how long will it take 60 cubic centimeters of chlorine to diffuse through the same pot if the vapor densities of oxygen and chlorine are 16 and 36 respectively? Solution. Oxygen gas diffuses through a porous pot by moving from a region of high concentration to low concentration in 7 seconds. The volume of oxygen diffused during the experiment was 30 cubic centimeters. We are to experiment chlorine gas using the same porous pot to determine how long will it take for chlorine gas to diffuse. From Graham's law of diffusion, which states that at constant temperature and pressure, the rate of diffusion or effusion of a gas is inversely proportional to the square root of its molar mass. So, from the question, we have volume of oxygen diffuses as 30 cubic centimeters. Time taken for oxygen to diffuse is 7 seconds, while the volume of chlorine to diffuse is 60 cubic centimeters, and the time taken for chlorine to diffuse is what we want to find out. Also, we have the vapor density of oxygen to be 16 and that of chlorine to be 36. Now, let's go back to Graham's law formula. The reaction rate in chemistry is often expressed in terms of the concentration of a product that is formed in a unit of time or the concentration of a reactant that is consumed in a unit of time. And that's why the rate here is volume of gas diffuses all over time taken to diffuse. With that, we are going to have the rate of oxygen, which is now R1, as 30 cubic centimeters all over 7 seconds, and that of chlorine, which is now R2, as 60 cubic centimeters all over the T we want to calculate and know. Also, the molar mass of oxygen, which is now M1, is equal to vapor density of oxygen times 2. Which is 16 times 2 equals to 32. Also, the molar mass of chlorine, which is now M2, is equal to vapor density of chlorine times 2, which is 36 times 2 equals to 72. Next part is substituting all the values. We will now have R1 divided by R2 is equals to square root of 72 divided by 32. Reducing 72 and 32 by dividing both by 8, we will have square root of 9 divided by 4, which is 3 divided by 2. Then we cross multiply, and we will have 2R1 is equals to 3R2. But R1 is 30 divided by 7, while R2 is 60 divided by T. After we have cleared the brackets, we will have 60 divided by 7 is equals to 180 divided by T. Next is to cross multiply to make T the subject of the formula by dividing both sides by 60. After that, we will have T is equals to 21. Therefore, it will take 60 cubic centimeters of chlorine to diffuse through the same porous pot as oxygen in 21 seconds. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe.